Meaning of harmlessness.
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 Harmlessness. Harmlessness refers to the state or quality of being without harm, danger, or injury. It implies that something is not capable of causing harm or damage to someone or something else. When something is harmless, it can be considered safe or benign, and does not pose a threat or risk to individuals or their environment. For example, a harmless substance may not cause any adverse effects or reactions when consumed or applied, while a harmless activity may not result in any negative consequences or harm to participants. Overall, harmlessness is an important characteristic that promotes safety, security, and well-being.